In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner with ChatGPT. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to plan and generate a professional-looking YouTube banner that matches your channel's style and works well across different devices. We'll go through the process of opening ChatGPT, writing an effective prompt, refining the design, and making sure the final banner follows YouTube's recommended layout. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a banner concept that's both visually appealing and optimized for your audience. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. If you prefer, you can search for ChatGPT using your favorite search engine and select the official website from the results. Once you've arrived at the homepage and signed in, you're ready to begin creating your banner. The next step is to provide ChatGPT with a clear and detailed prompt. The more information you include, the better the generated banner concept will match your vision. Describe the purpose of the image, explain your channel's niche, specify the visual style you're aiming for, and mention the color palette you'd like to use. Giving detailed instructions helps the AI produce a design that's consistent with your brand identity. It's also important to include YouTube's recommended banner dimensions in your prompt. A canvas size of 2560 by 1440 pixels with a center safe area of approximately 1546 by 423 pixels helps ensure that important elements, such as your channel name, logo, or tagline, remain visible across desktop computers, tablets, mobile devices, and televisions. Mentioning these dimensions gives ChatGPT additional guidance when creating the overall layout. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a detailed AI image for a business and productivity channel with a clean, modern, and professional style, using navy blue, white, and subtle gold accents. You can also request strong contrast, a spacious composition, and a clearly defined center-safe area so any future text remains easy to read. Once your prompt is ready, ask ChatGPT to generate the image. After reviewing the result, make small, specific adjustments if needed. You might request stronger contrast, simpler background elements, softer gold accents, a brighter shade of navy blue, or more emphasis on the center safe zone. Making gradual refinements allows you to improve the design while keeping it balanced and uncluttered. When you're satisfied with the final result, confirm that the layout still respects the safe area and that the overall appearance matches your channel's personality and branding. This final review helps ensure the banner looks polished and professional on every screen. That's it. You've successfully used ChatGPT to plan, design, and refine a YouTube banner that's optimized for multiple devices and aligned with your channel's style. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,